Okay, you guys ready? On your marks, get set, go.
Cubing is fun. I came here because I thought it was going to be fun, and I decided that I shall compete because I really like cubing because there's a lot of puzzles out there, not just 3x3s, there's a lot of Megamix, which is octahedrons, there's this pyramid cube, the Pyramix, gearballs, and I really think that this thing can improve hand-eye coordination and could actually improve finger speed and reaction speed. And it's really fun to do to pass the time, and competing is really, really fun.
What do you think about the school putting on a competition like this?
I think it's a really great idea
Why?
because it shows kids that what kind of talent they could actually have.
That's 1 minute.